So, hello guys. Now we are going to continue the last from the last lecture. So we have also used some variable here. Let me check why it was not running. Here was token was already defined here. Okay, and let me run this Terraform plan this time. So it's asking for token one. Let me open this Terraform main.file again, and it's asking for token one. Okay, with the name token one. Okay, token one, and what we have written there, Terraform. Okay, that token is okay. You need to define token one here. Right, value will be token one, and let me run again. Okay, now it's asking for you need to declare this. So okay, we haven't declared here, so let me declare this variable as token one, right? And I think it's fine. Variable in there. Okay, let me run again Terraform plan. Yeah, it's running fine. See, but this time when we have done the Terraform plan, it's asking your infrastructure matches the configuration. Terraform has compared the real infrastructure against your configuration and found no difference. So what does this mean? See, let me again run this ls command and you will find some new file called Terraform tf state file. What is this Terraform tf state? Let me show you the tf state file. This is the file that I already have discussed you for the Terraform state. All your current infrastructure state has been defined inside the Terraform state file, TF state file. See, scheme version 1. We are the version 1, we are the provider 1, and you have created this thing, DevOps with Dev Git repository this way, right? Suppose, let me create a new repository again main.tf, right? And let's copying this one, 665, paste it, right? So instead of this first repo, let's write this as second repo. Okay, that would be same public, and this time name would be DevOps with Dev 1. Okay, let me run this again. Terraform plan. See what happened right now. Now it's asking for new repository will be created with the DevOps with Dev 1, right? Okay, Terraform apply, and it's asking for yes. Okay, so you will check a new repository will along this will be created. Yeah, repository has been created. Again, see this thing. Let me refresh it. Click on this, and yeah, DevOps with day one created. Fine, a new repository already created just by this, right? So what happened right now? If you check for this Terraform TF state file, not dot Terraform TF state file. You will look, we have a different thing right now. See, at the schema version 1, we have DevOps with Dev, and after this, we do have again second repository, we have different different URL. Means we do have two URL. So by this way, Terraform defines, or Terraform get to know that required things are here. Got it? Means it's get to know with the help of this Terraform state file that this infrastructure was already created and we don't need to create a new structure. Suppose this time, if I again apply Terraform plan, so see what happens. It will check and see there are no configuration changes, no infrastructure changes, because it looking for the Terraform state file. It was looking for the Terraform state file, and according to this file, all the requirements are already created. That's why no changes are done. Remember, you don't need to change anything inside the Terraform this TF state file because it's a main file. All of your infra would be stored inside this Terraform state file. A backup of this file already will created with the previous version. See, if you just check for this Terraform TF state.backup file, only first repository input would be there, not the second. See, only DevOps with Dev would be there, but not with DevOps with Dev 1.1. Means second repository would not be there because it was being backed before creating a new Terraform state file. This way it happens. I mean, this way it tries to do the thing. Now, suppose I want to delete all this things. So how we were going to delete this? We would be providing this Terraform command called Terraform destroy. See what happens when we run this Terraform destroy. It will ask that it will be going to destroy two things. It will be going to destroy two things. See, first, it will be going to destroy this DevOps with Dev1 and also DevOps with Dev. We are going to delete these two repositories, right? With the help of Terraform destroy. And let me write yes and see what happened right now. It will delete all the repositories. Means required repository we have just mentioned inside the Terraform state file, which was created by Terraform only. Now, if we check this repository, again, let me just refresh it. See, both the repositories has been deleted, right? Also, if we check for the Terraform state file, see, we have the Terraform state file. Let me open this main Terraform TF state file. See, there are no such resources right now. Resources, 0. Also, if you check for Terraform state backup file, you will find 1 resources. See, these are the resources because it's a backup file. Resources are already there, right? It's a backup file. So this way Terraform manages the thing, right? We need to just take care of the thing. Also, this thing will not work if you go on the another repository, another file, because it works on the same directory only, right? So everything was managed inside this single directory. Everything would be there, right? So if again I show you main.pf, if you want to again create this thing, just write Terraform plan. It will show you that it will be going to create 2 new files to do add. First is for the this repository DevOps with Dev1, and second is for DevOps with Dev, according to your requirement. But you have written in the Terraform file, right? This way you can create an infrastructure without going there, right? Okay, I think that's all this for this video. We will be looking more content in the later videos. Okay, thank you guys. Bye.